step into a world of innovation with the Summa S Class 3, an embodiment of high-precision and versatile cutting technologies. This intuitive and user-friendly machine is designed to bring your creative ideas to life. At the heart of the S Class 3 is its unique true tangential cutting technology, ensuring top-notch performance. The addition of the all-new OPOS camera with onboarding image processing provides ultra-fast mark recognition and processing, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. The S Class 3 is designed for professional users who demand top performance in their cutting applications, both for short and long-run jobs. FlexCut, another remarkable feature, creates a perforated cutting line that allows you to seamlessly produce from roll to sheet. The object-based smart paneling feature takes automation to the next level, analyzing each object within a set range and enabling simultaneous cutting. The Smart Object Sorting feature selects the optimal starting point for cutting objects, further improving accuracy, simplifying post-processing tasks, and minimizing material movement. The Summa S Class 3 is truly designed to make your production process more efficient. Redesigned roll support and flanges allow you to accommodate large rolls with a diameter of up to 20 centimeters and a weight of 45 kilograms, making it ideal for laminated vinyl print and cut applications. The roll-up system ensures unattended production and delivers neatly rolled output, supported by the new larger flanges. The performance cutting head of the S Class 3 is the most advanced in the roller cutter series, capable of automatically switching between flex or kiss cutting and creasing or drawing. With an increased tool pressure of 1 kilogram, it's perfect for short-run packaging jobs, setting a new standard in the industry. Convenience is key, which is why the tool tray provides secure storage for tools not in use, always within reach when needed at the back of the cutter. Manage your workflow with great flexibility using our intuitive GoSign software, reducing the possibility of errors and streamlining the job sending process with action sets. Enjoy automated cutting options, custom configurations, easy plugins for design programs, and much more. Don't leave anything to chance. Experience leading-edge contour cut excellence with the Summa S Class 3. The Summa S Class 3, your next high-precision roll cutter.